and we are here to share about
Mathematics in nature!
how mathematics can be found in nature or in our daily life. Everything that you will see in this world is full of mathematics. Why? Because as you observe in nature, it has pattern which can define that objects can say have mathematics. Everything that God creates in nature involves mathematics, like
Air is important for living things. People need to breathe, and so lots of other animals and plants. Breathing is part of a process called respiration. During respiration, a living thing takes in oxygen from air and gives out carbon dioxide.
Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, meadows, and tessellations and stripes. Mathematics, physics, and chemistry explain nature at different levels.
Trees are vitals. As the biggest plants on the planet, they give us oxygen, soil carbon, stabilize the soil, and most importantly, it gives life to the world wildlife. Also, they provide us with the materials for tools and shelter.
Hi guys, for now I would like to share the information about the plants. We all know that the plants are essential for any ecosystem because then they can get energy directly from the sunlight. They also must get nutrients from the soil. Plants require space to grow and reproduce. Since all the energy comes from the plant, you'd better have a lot of them.
Hi guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video and I hope you learned something about that video and maraming salamat sa panonood.
Thank you for watching!